Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a new contact onto the Metamask wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Metamask application on your device and proceed with logging in using your biometrics or your password. Once you are taken into the wallet page, in order to start adding any contacts, just tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. Now just scroll down and tap on the contact section. You will then see the Add Contact button. Tap on this button and now you can start adding your contact right away. Just enter the contact name within the name section and then you can add their wallet address as well. Simply paste the wallet address within the given box or tap on the button alongside to take a photograph of their QR code. This will then be saved as their address and then you can add further notes if you wish as well. Finally, tap on the Add Contact button and now they will appear within your contact section. And anytime you start to send crypto, you can directly enter their name within the To section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add new contacts onto the Metamask wallet application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.